Welcome back to Clark's Star Culinary. Today we're making fried tripe. In a large pot for the clean cook, we're going to add 1 gallon of water. Add the juice of 2 lemons. Bring the pot up to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of garlic powder. I have 3 pounds of scalded tripe, which has some fat on it, so I'm going to remove that. Please make sure to inspect and remove any fat or undesirable tissue from the tripe. Okay, we're going to cut up the tripe in large 6 to 8 inch pieces. And I have a lot of serrano peppers, so I'm going to go ahead and add one. You're going to add the tripe and the serrano pepper for the clean cook and put the tripe in. Bring the pot back up to a boil and then reduce to a slow simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, strain the tripe and wash under cool water. You can take the tripe and rub the pieces together vigorously to make sure they are very clean. Now we're going to prepare to let the tripe cook until it's tender. I'm going to clean and use the same pot again. We're going to add 1 gallon of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, a half of a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 serrano pepper. And put the tripe in. Bring the pot up to a boil. Reduce the temperature to a slow simmer, put the top on, and just put it off to the side so that the pot can vent. And we're going to let that cook for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the tripe from the pot. And I'm going to pat the tripe with the paper towel just to remove a little bit of the excess moisture. And we're going to put that over into a mixing bowl. And now we're going to get ready to fry. Put 2 cups of flour in a sealable container. Add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce to the tripe. Add a half a teaspoon of black pepper to both the tripe and the flour. Add a little salt as needed to the tripe. Add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder to the tripe and the flour. And a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper to both the tripe and flour. Mix the spices up in the flour and mix the spices thoroughly through the tripe. Add the tripe in with the flour. Seal the container and shake. In a skillet set to medium-high heat, dust off the excess flour from the tripe and add it to the pan. Allow the tripe to cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, then remove them from the oil. Put the tripe on some paper towel or on a cooling rack. Once the tripe is done, enjoy! As usual, thank you so much for watching Clark Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye!